Hood lift support kit for a JK Wrangler. The parts out of the packaging. I'll post a link to these and the store in the description. Quick look at the instructions. Looks pretty basic. I'm 5'11" and I have to stand on my toes to get the hood pop rod in. Starting with the bottom, the lower bracket will mount like this. It uses an existing bolt and a bolt, nut, and washer supplied with the kit. Just like this. Same on the passenger side, but a clip has to be removed and the hardware will replace it. Like that. The upper has two brackets. The J-hook passes through the upper oval to fish the threads to the other opening. The other bracket secures to this one with two Allen bolts. It's easier to start threading it by hand. The other side is exactly the same. The clips can be pushed up with a flathead, but it isn't necessary. It'll snap right in either way. It's an easy do-it-yourself at-home installation.
That is cool.
This kit sells for about $40 and I think it's worth it.